Immediate past representative of Anambra Central in the red corridors of the National Assembly and Senator Victor Umeh has re-echoed his passion towards the actualization of a Nigerian president of Igbo extraction in the 2023 general elections. Senator Umeh, who is seeking to return to the red chambers on the Labour Party ticket, made this known during the NUJ 2023 election committee interactive session held at the press center, Oka. He decried the inability of the major political parties to zone the presidency to the southeast, declaring it as a gross marginalization. Our political desk correspondent, Stella Iboka, was there and filed this report.
The NUJ interactive section, which is aimed at giving political office seekers a platform to air their views and candidacy, afforded the aspiring senator the opportunity to publicize his manifesto. Senator Umeh explained that his change of political platform was a demonstration of his commitment towards the realization of the agenda of an Igbo president for equity, fairness and justice, and vowed to use his vast political network and followership to ensure its actualization. He presented his scorecard during his last representation at the 8th Senate, where according to him, he was an outstanding voice for the Southeast, pledging to do more if elected. He said that coupled with the already garnered spread of the Labour Party, the emergence of Mr. Peter Obi and his acceptability as its presidential flag bearer has skyrocketed the popularity of the party, and assured that with heavyweights like him, the Labour Party will be the party to beat. He pleaded with journalists to be objective and truthful in their reportage.
Arguing against a lot of things being done in Nigeria, they say it because when you tell someone the truth, you may not like it, but you know that you told them the truth. So we need people who can go there, whether it's referendum or restructuring, anything that will make Nigeria function better and work should be pursued in the parliament. It's not about patching roads, grading of roads. No. The structural arrangement of Nigeria is key to the problems we have. They are foundational.
The state chairman of Labour Party, Comrade Luke Eze-Anakwasa, in a brief remark, said that the party encompasses all the workforce, including journalists, and urged them to join hands in ensuring that Nigerians are saved from the current hardship by contributing their quota through mass mobilization.
And we say that Labour Party has no structure. You are part of Labour Party. All of you are part of Labour Party. All we are saying is, let us come together and make to be president of this country. We will all benefit. P2P for what he stands for. It's not his own personal gain he is standing for. He is for Nigeria. It's not that he is. Let us take back Nigeria.
Earlier in his remarks, the NUJ State Chairman, Dr. Emeka Odogu, welcomed him to the session and reiterated the willingness of the union to help the candidates disseminate the message of their manifestos to the public.
One thing we want to reassure you is that this NUJ is your family. And we have known you in the last 20 years. We know your antecedents. And you are not just coming to address NUJ members, but you are coming to see your friends.
The chairman, NUJ 2023 Election Committee, Comrade Stanley Onunkwo, used the occasion to pledge that journalists will uphold the tenets of the profession. From the NUJ headquarters in Oka, I am Stella Iboka, reporting for ABS News.